What's up guys, and welcome back. And those of you that are new here, my name is Cleo and today I'm out here with my Defender 90. So this is the Defender 200 TDI. It's obviously the preferred one, as those of you will probably know. I've had it for a very long time now, and with this car, I think just with all the cars at the moment, it's just been so much work and literally no play, no driving time. So the car, literally, I got it back about 4 days ago. It went in for some chassis work. Whoever owned it before did like a DIY repair on it and it really needed redoing. So that's all done. It's all stone guard, chip redone, sprayed, everything underneath. And now we are out to come and play. So we're in a pretty cool place. There's quite a few trails here. I'm going to see how we get on. I'm here with a couple of mates as well. They're obviously getting right stuck in at the moment. We'll go catch up with them in just a moment. But yeah, let's go see how we get on and see if we get stuck in the mud today. These are so low. Buy a roof tent. Ooh.
I'm just going to wind this window up.
Buy paid work. Oh, this is a bit narrow down here. All that roof tent is going to get taken out. This is really narrow down here. Oh, that's a tree. Another one. Go on, girl, get it up. So one. Yeah, I think we could kiss the roof tent goodbye. I don't think that's going to be on by the end of this.
That'd be fine.
It'd be alright. I don't think we have to come back this way.
It'll take a lot to...
Oh, look at that. Oh.
That's going to take a lot of fucking... That's going to be a difficult one. Do you want to go into this?
Yeah. Wait, what?
You're stuck, aren't you?
Oh, is it grounded out again? Oh, I mean it's grounded out, isn't it? I've got stuck already.
Hang on.
Yeah, I've got a little That makes... I have no idea. Right, let's see if we can...
Right. Sort of wiggle it, see if you can, get it forward and... That's it, and then now straight into reverse and sort of... It's proper wedged on there.
Right.
Alright, now full lock it, left hand down, and then come back. That's it.
Thank you.
Nice. That's wicked. Hey. Lovely.
Thank you. Cheers. Thought we were going to be like finished before we even started. Yeah, it's popped out again, yeah. We'll go from there? Yeah. Right, so I'm in low range, First gear's alright. It's a little bit torquey though for my liking, so I normally sort of tend to sort of keep it about second. There's quite a few people out here playing today. I'm gonna go drive over, catch up with the others, see how they're getting on, see if they've got stuck yet. They probably have, no doubt, knowing them. They're a bit mad, like they just get stuck in properly. There's a few bits, just navigate around that. Oh, there they all are. They're all like proper getting stuck in. What are they up to? Bit stuck there.
Yeah, put a shackle through it first. Yeah. When if that snaps, yeah.
Right, ready, boys?
You good to go, son?
Yeah, you're good to go, yeah? Off the handbrake.
I don't like it.
Straighten it up, straighten it up, straighten it up, straighten it up. More. That's it, there.
Who is it? Right, mate, put it in reverse and then just like gently let the engine do it, yeah? Don't like put your foot down.
Good. Reverse. Just lightly, let it go with it, like slowly. Wait there. 1 minute.
Right, put your foot on the brake.
Foot on the brake. Right on the brake hard, yeah?
On the brake,
Hold
brake in.
Hold it, yeah, hold the brake, yeah. It's going to release the windrow. Just hold the brake.
You got a brake.
We peer pressured him to go in again and got stuck again.
Don't run over the road.
And out again. Light work. Right, let's have a quick run through the cars that we've got here today. So we've got another 90. It's nice. It's actually got an automatic box in that one, but that is really, really nice. That's been pulling so well. We've got another Discovery 2 here, and then of course Sod's one. Sod's one's actually got a V8 in it. And then again, my Defender right over the back, and another Defender over the back as well. So yeah, there's a good amount of people. There's a few more people still yet to turn up. Sod's just running the engine up because obviously it's been stuck in water for a little bit, so just making sure the alternator hasn't broken or the starter motor stops, which I've had that problem before when I went through water. I killed the starter motor. But yeah, it's a really good amount of cars here today. It's a good bit of fun. The guys obviously getting really stuck in. I would love to get proper stuck in, but I know my car just isn't good enough to get through any of that. So maybe next time I'm a little bit more stuck in. But again, it's going to be a work in progress, and it's something that you can just get on with, upgrade parts, and then get stuck in with these guys and have a proper off-roading session. But there's still more to do. Let's go out, let's have a look, let's see what else is out there. I'm not really sure how my roof tent is actually still attached to this. Do you know what it is? It's more actually the awning. Ooh, that was a leap to the face. It's more actually the awning. I don't know how that is still attached, to be honest, because that is definitely asking to get ripped off. Some of these paths are quite narrow down here. It's got to be careful, obviously, just like not to grip the steering wheel so you don't break your thumbs. Let's chuck it around this way. Gets a little bit deep here. Kicking that back end again, probably do my window up. It's easy. Alright, there's a bit of a dip here. So there's a dip there, there's a root there. There it is. Just let it bring itself back round. But this is really easy stuff. This is basically just like green laning. So it's a public byway in Essex. There are many of them out here, and it's definitely worth. Ooh, get my face smacked again. Ooh. These bushes are lethal. But yeah, it's a public byway, and it literally cuts through quite a few of the main roads. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm just going to do that window up. Yeah, it's basically a public byway, and it essentially just cuts through. You'll be glad to know that the roof tent has managed to survive. I don't know how. We haven't really had many battle scars as such. Nothing really, to be fair. I mean, the only thing that's probably, well, I mean, it is a Land Rover, it's kind of what it's there for. But yeah, obviously the steering guard has taken a bit of a hit. It's got a diff guard on it as well, so I'm glad that was on there, because that kind of took a bit of a beating today. A couple of scratches. Other than that though, I think it played a pretty fair game today. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So that is the end of the day. It's been a really, really wicked day. It's been funny watching the guys get literally stuck in. I mean, quite literally. Obviously, cheers to the others as well for towing them out. But yeah, Defender didn't do too badly. Bear in mind, I haven't been out on this in quite a while. So this is the first time back out again, having a bit of fun with it. And one or two things definitely got to sort out on this. Definitely needs a lift kit, because there is half the stuff that I'd love to get just stuck in on, but I can't, because the car can't physically get up and over any of those trails. So definitely going to be sorting the lift kit out and then coming back out and trying that again next time round. But Again, as always guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You know the deal. If you could like, share and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be plenty more coming up. There's a little bit more coming up as well now, obviously what with the lockdown, which is sort of relaxing a little bit more. I hope you guys are staying safe and we'll see you really, really soon. Okay, where do we start? Don't really know, to be honest. I've got nothing to say. Popped out again. Ooh, the tilt on it. Oh, nope. Oh. I want to do that. I want to do what they're doing.
Alright, she'll drop it in.